So I have built up the ultimate LinkedIn lead generation plus outreach system that can generate unlimited leads for your business. And the leads are here. You will get the keyword, title, email, description, LinkedIn URL, subject line, email body. And here is the whole workflow. Before we start, my name is Ubad, and I automate businesses and help them to save money and time. And if you want any kind of automation for your business, I will put the link in the description. You can book a one-on-one call with me. Okay, so first we will I will break down this whole system. Then I will tell you how you get it for free. Okay, so we have, first of all, we have a um, n8n form in which what we are getting the keywords, the location, number of leads, and once we put all of these things, we are using the Epify scraper to generate leads, to scrape leads for us. And what uh, scraper or what actor we are using? We are using this particular actor mass LinkedIn email scraper that help us to generate these leads. And how we can connect Epify with the n8n. First of all, we need to go JSON and copy this whole thing and go back to our n8n, and in the body section we will do this to JSON, and we will just paste up the thing we have copied, and we will just drag and drop from here what we want. Like we are getting keywords, location, so we will change the keyword, location, and emails, and the number of leads. And also we will go here on API endpoints and copy this, run actor synchronously and get data set items. We will copy this and paste up in a URL. So when you will like attach it, you will just need to execute the step. The leads will become here. Okay, we are getting 65 emails. Then what we have an Google Sheet node. So what we are saving here, we are just saving keywords, title, email, description, LinkedIn URL, and we have the two type of process, the scrape process and the done process. So it will help us to identify which which leads have been scraped and have done the outreach thing. Then we have if node, and what we are taking in a if node, if a lead have email, it will go on the loop. If the email does not exist in the lead, in a particular lead, it will go here, no operation, don't do nothing. Then we have a loop over thing, because we are getting 65 item or more than that it from here, and we want to create a custom outreach message for each of them one by one, so our system do not break. So we have added this loop over item thing, and the batch size of it is only one. So whenever 65 item come here, it will go to this agent, and we will see what is inside this agent, what we have write system prompt. Before we have added a chat model. We are using OpenAI chat model, and the model is 41 mini. And we have also added the memory, and we have added here the key of now, so it will be updated, and it have a memory, so it can save a things, save things for us. And we have a structured output parser, and we want subject line, email body, and email in the output. Then we have a think node, so every email, every outreach message we will write would be a personalized. It will do some research, go here and so do some research about them. Then we have an AI agent node. In prompt section, user message, we have written you are an expert called email copywriter. And in the system message, We have written this. Your task is to write a high quality, personalized, natural sounding cold email based only on the information provided about that lead using the think tool. Input, we have give three inputs: description, link your profile, and email. The rules for the email are simple: open with a genuine, specific compliment or observation about the profile based on the website, LinkedIn or LinkedIn URL. And we have just give him a two or three things. Then we have given him a structure, and I have told about who I am, and we are an automation and a automation agency that gives services, and in relevance explain how what I can benefit this specific leads, and a light call to action and all that stuff, and strictly provided these things so we can get these exactly same outputs. Then we have an email draft note in what we are creating a draft. I will share it to you how it will look like. So the email will be look like this. Enhance your digital marketing marketing with smart automation, Mr. Ruffle your commitment to creating impactful blah blah blah. We have write these type of hyper personalized outreach message to for them, and once that done, we have added a Google Sheet node so we can save the outreach message, and also we will do the process to the done so it will not do again and again. It will create outreach message for again and again for one lead. And then let me show you the uh, database, or what we say Google Sheet. It is so simple to set up. We just need to have a keyword, title, email, description, LinkedIn URL, subject line, and email body. And here are the things you can customize it as per your need. And how you can get the exact same system, I will add my school community link in the description below. It is free. You can join, and you will get this exact same automation, and you can implement this in your business. And if you want any kind of automation for your business or for your brand or anything, you can contact me. I will put the link in the description. You can book a one-on-one call with me. This video, we will thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like this video, and if you have any queries, you can comment down. I will reply your comment. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.